Right, welcome back everyone, part 3 of the shed build. What we've just done there, you'll see in a minute, in a bit of time lapse, I've actually put a treated batten under there because this framework isn't treated, so it's not sitting on the floor now. We've got a bit of treated batten there, and as you'll see there's a gap here, there's going to be a course of bricks running under there. As you can see now, we've featherboarded this front edge. We're going to have a double doors here, and hopefully we'll have some offcuts just to finish off that. Otherwise I'll go fetch some more. So see, we've got the twin doors here. There'll be something like that. They're fully solid. We've reinforced them there, and that'll give us another fixing point as well. So as you can see, we've got the lid there. That's been all felted up, all weatherproofed. You would have seen that on my dad's channel on the Butler's Empire, I think. Link in the description below for that one. So yeah, let's get these doors fitted. That's it, so both doors are on now, all nice and opening as they should.
Nice and what?
Opening as they should. So next job, we'll probably put the roof on now, and then I've got a few boards left here, maybe 6 or 8, and we'll just have to do what we can with that, and if I have to get a couple more, I'll have to get a couple more. I think I've seen a couple there round at Retro Restores actually.
Nicking more of my wood, unbelievable.
It's better rather than it rotting.
So the reason why it's packed up at the moment is because we've got to get some bricks under there. We've left them around my house, so that's why it's on wood at the moment, but it'll feather edge them afterwards. So let's get this roof on now.
Right, so that's the roof on now, doors are on. All I've just got left to do now is just feather edge these front bits. You ain't got to see that because I've got to get some more materials, but once it's fully completed I'll bring that during another one of the videos. But yeah, as you can see, it's all fully functional, coming from this way, coming from that way, and there will be a prop on here, just like you know what you have on a car bonnet, a bonnet stand. Just like that, just ties it up. I mean, you can put it right up and it will stay there, but I could put even fill a catch in here and put a hook on here just to hatch it on, just a safety feature for the kids being around it. So yeah, there we go. And we've also, like we said earlier, we have got a course of bricks to go here just to finish this front edge, just to keep the timber off of the wet floor, and we'll have a brick here, and I think that's it buttoned up then, isn't it? You want to say bye? Come and say bye. had my lackey round today.
Bad back, still got a bad back at the moment. I shouldn't be doing anything, but I've had to supervise him, and that's the way it goes. Anyway, he's used half of my materials. Technically speaking, half of this shed belongs to me.
What half?
That half.
Right then, that's it then, isn't it, eh? Until next time.
Yeah.